Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll be preparing popular Goan mackerel curry. To make this I've taken around 3 fresh mackerels which I have cleaned and cut into 3 pieces. To this you apply salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder and mix well and keep aside for around 20 minutes. To make the masala, grind together all the ingredients which are shown in the video into a fine paste. To make the curry, heat coconut oil in a vessel, add chopped onion and slitted green chilies and saute till the onion turns light brown in color. Next, add the ground masala along with the residual water. You can add more water if the consistency is slightly thick. Cook this masala for 5 minutes. Once the masala is almost cooked, you can add marinated fish pieces and cook this for around 10 minutes. Add dried kokum rinds and triphal. Check for the taste, and at this point of time you can add salt depending upon your preference. You can serve this curry with rice. And if you like this recipe, feel free to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so you get notified about my new videos.